name is Miguel from the Mobile Mechanic 757 to compare a new product that I just bought for our company. The very first one we had that we've been using for years is the Craftsman 150 piece. One of the reasons why we kept it so long is because of durability. But the long-term portion of this whole entire usage is that the sockets kept coming out and popping out, just as you can see. This is completely annoying that every time we close it up and put it somewhere, we have to fix it. So we just decided to buy this Craftsman 230 piece drawer. We got it from Lowe's. We're not being told to tell about this. We're not being sponsored or paid to say this. It's a 230 piece Craftsman. The reason why we like it is because the drawer, the handle is very sturdy, nice and sturdy. In order to get to it, you have to turn this knob to unlock it, and each one has drawers that come out just like that. They are labeled as which drawers and what size. So the next one we're going to pull out is the 3/8 size. So what we did is we just transferred what this did not come with, and it did not come with the 5/8 socket for the spark plugs. It did not come with an 18mm socket, and did not come with the 19mm socket. It actually stopped at 17. So we'll just turn it over for you, and you can see 17. So we just took it from the old one and we brought it over here. Also, it did not come with this adapter. We just brought it over. Also, we brought the extensions over because it only came with one extension. So we brought these 3 extensions over and just put them in there just like that. Next one is the 1/4. Slide it out. It came with only one extension, so we took out all the old socket set. It did not come with number 15, 1/2. It did not come with number 14, and like I said, it did not come with this adapter. All we did is took it from an old one that we had, and just whatever it didn't come with, we went ahead and just added it. It comes, you just lay it down just like that. Instead of it being laying like this, it comes up and down like that. I really like that. The ratchets are nice and thick and heavy. Good teeth. It also comes with a little, I guess, bonus miniaturized wrenches, standard and metric. In my opinion, I like this one much more better as a mechanic because I could just close the drawers, and once I lock it, they will not come out anymore. And that way it could be nice and stable, because what we do is we come over and we put it right into our truck. We put it directly in our truck like that, and then all we do is put our retro stuff on it, and then we close the lid. Hold on for a minute. I think we got too much stuff in here. But the point of this whole entire video is the other one would have been all over the place, falling, sockets every single place, all over the place. And then we end up having to redo them all over again because they didn't fill out the place that we're supposed to put them in. If you like these videos, please like, subscribe, and hit that subscribe button. Thank you.